It's a back-to-school morning here on the Valley today. Of course, the checklists are out and students and parents are all getting ready, just a few weeks away from the start of class. But have you done a health checklist? Showing us why a visit to the doctor's office may be necessary for some kids this time of year is the Valley Today's Christy Larson, joining us live from Essentia Health. Hi, Christy.
Well, good morning, Kyle. I know this is something my parents had me do each and every single year before the school year. A lot of times it's for those sports physicals for the older kids, but as we're standing here, we want to talk about the little kids too, because it's so important that parents are getting them ready for back to school.
That's right. It's important for the new kids going to school to be excited about school, and important to parents to kind of ramp that up and talk about what's good about school and all the good things you get to look forward to. So just getting them real excited to come back into school.
And I think, too, when they also are coming in for those doctor appointments, you guys emphasize a lot of them need those immunizations before they go to kindergarten or even preschool.
You're right. Pre-K, so 4 years old and 5 years old definitely needs vaccines. The vaccines we typically give are measles, mumps, rubella, and then varicella, which is the chickenpox vaccine. And then they also are getting the DTaP and the polio vaccines. All of those are wrapped typically into 2 shots, which is unpleasant for the child, but just a quick little poke, nice and easy, and gets you ready for school.
And two, we've been talking a lot about sometimes those germ incubators are schools, and then they bring them home and it kind of travels through the family. So how do you kind of help parents get ready for that first year?
Important to really discuss hand washing. Hand washing is one of the easiest ways to prevent getting ill. So especially when kids are going to school and when they come home from school, make sure they're washing their hands. And then talking just about good hygiene practices at school. If you use the bathroom, before you eat, wash your hands.
Yeah, and making sure that they're doing it long enough. It's more than just slapping that soap on and rinsing them under the water. So again, Kyle, so many different important things to remind kids of. And one of them that we're going to be telling you about coming up next is those backpack sizes and weights. I know a lot of people hear about it, so we're going to be telling you more about that, how to get your kids' backpacks the proper way for them to go to school, coming up in a little bit.
All right, Christy Larson reporting live for us this morning. Thanks, Christy.